scenario we have to do here?
Scenario.
Oh, there's the other rope I was looking for. Don't use it.
Got me.
This is what YouTube looks like when you're in a canoe?
Yeah, more or less.
I just want to have a visual.
Yeah, I got it on video.
Oh, my redness! No.
Okay.
I know they are.
I don't know what you're comfortable with anymore.
He's not ever comfortable.
I'm not going to be comfortable with it. Yeah.
I'm here, honey. I'm certified and secure crochet. May I help you?
No.
I'm screwed!
Well, you always said if you drown.
Let me know when you're ready.
What way you guys gonna roll first?
You'll see. You ready?
Remember to blow your bubbles.
Morph, I lost my hat. We need to get my hat, Morph.
Where are you going?
Yeah, you've lost your hat, Morph. We need to get it.
Where are you
Can you
going?
reach it? See if you can reach it. I can't reach it from here. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll hold it over from here. Oh!
Relax, 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 relax. You're fine. You're fine.
Awesome.
You forgot to blow your bubbles.
Yay, Worf! Woo!
Morph?
This thing's way too high.
Yeah, it's not tight enough.
Yeah.
Same with mine. You got to pull it down and try floating in it. I need to adjust this one big time too.